Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to create and verify your Gate.io account. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need the Gate.io app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to your App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, and for iOS users, open the App Store. In the search bar, type in Gate.io Exchange and locate the official app. Once you find it, download and install it on your device. After installation, open the Gate.io app. On the first screen, you'll see the options to sign up or log in. Since we're creating a new account, select Sign Up for Free. The app will now prompt you to enter your email address or phone number. Choose the option that works best for you and input your details. After that, create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure that you can remember. Next, you'll need to select your country or region of residence. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your country. Once you've entered all the required details, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click the Sign Up button to proceed. You'll be asked to complete a simple slider puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. Drag the slider until the puzzle piece fits, and you'll move on to the next step. The app will send a verification code to the email address or phone number you provided. Open your email or SMS inbox, find the code, and enter it in the app. Once the code is verified, you'll see a welcome message confirming that your Gate.io account has been created. To unlock the full features of your account, you'll need to complete the identity verification process. On the welcome screen, click Verify Now to begin. You'll be prompted to provide additional information, including your nationality, first name, last name, and ID details. Select the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Enter the ID number accurately. After filling in these details, tap Next to proceed. The app will request permission to access your camera. Allow this permission as you'll need to take a photo of your ID. Make sure the photo is clear and shows all the required details. The next step is to complete a facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture your face using the camera. Ensure the lighting is good and your face is clearly visible. Once both your ID and face have been verified, the app will notify you that the verification process is complete. To confirm, click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. You should see a verified badge displayed on your profile. At this point, you're all set to start using your Gate.io account. From the home page, you can deposit or withdraw funds by selecting the appropriate icons. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.